I am on Route 8 in Stamford, Vermont, walking north and approaching the school. The current school sign is what you see on the right side. The school has a circular driveway. The sign is visible from both sides. Whether you're coming from north or south, you can read the sign. However, we're thinking that a sign that is parallel to the road as opposed to perpendicular to the road, if large enough, could be read by people coming in both directions. As you face the building, the school classrooms and offices are on the right-hand side. So as you went in the doors that you see now, you'd go right to go to the school portion of the building and to the left to go to the town offices. And I will later show you where the library is. This is what the town sign currently says on both sides. And as you continue north, the school property ends at the chain link fence that you see behind the library sign. And it would be this hill, a slight hill here, that we would envision being incorporated into the overall landscape. I am standing on the road, and the distance between the road and where the school driveway is in front of the school is about 60 feet. And this green space is about 100 feet wide. And one of the advantages of having a sign that is perhaps parallel to the road is there's some concern about safety of students when they use the hardscape that's intended to be an uncovered gathering space between the sign and the school. So if the sign were kind of where I'm standing and parallel to the road, the hardscape area for the students and others to use would be between here and the school driveway. This tree can be relocated. As we talk about integrating other aspects of the landscape, there's been talk of incorporating this small hill, as I said before, with perhaps a bench or two as a seating area. This honor roll sign that you see on the school building is an area where perhaps a community bulletin board and another bench or two would be placed. I'm walking now in front of the school from north to south to show you an existing garden area that was created in memory of a former principal here at the school. So it's intended that this area too would be integrated into the overall landscape. The garden consists of boulders, and there's great support for using natural materials that are indigenous to Stamford as they were used here. And it's intended that additional benches would be at least complementary, if not the same as this one. And this is the plaque for the former principal. And as you can see, there's a playground on this side of the school. There is no concern about sight lines from within the school in terms of the landscape. It's all about what it looks like from the outside.